Hey everybody, Jen here from Ever After in the Woods, and we're going to be making a luggage tag today with our Artesprix heat press transfer markers. We're using our heat sublimation markers for this project. Here's our iron-on ink markers that I used for this project here. And like I said, we're making a plastic luggage tag. So I created this clip art piece from Canva, and I used some mixed tapes with color, and then I traced it on a blank piece of just regular copy paper, and I filled it in using those same iron-on ink sublimation markers in a variety of different colors. And I made sure that when I trace this onto my sheet, you can still see a little bit of the pencil here, which is fine because that won't transfer over. The only thing that will transfer is the sublimation markers. And I wanted to make sure that I went around the edges so that it gave it a little bit of a bleed. So if you see when I put this on the design, there is some extra coloring around the space. So I'm going to use my heat transfer tape, or heat resistant tape here rather, and I'm going to tape this down onto my design. Okay, and then you'll see here I also have my, my plate. So I'm going to make the sublimation sandwich, and all that means is I'm going to be sandwiching my design on our plate between these two pieces of paper, just like so. And I have my heat press heated up to 400 degrees, and we're going to press this for 45 seconds. Here I've got my sublimation sandwich into my heat press, and it's heated up to 400 degrees, and I'm simply going to press this down, and we're going to let this heat our design for 45 seconds. You'll notice that the timer automatically counts down for you, which is so awesome. This way you don't have to have something that is separate or keep track of the time, because it will definitely go off when the alarm is done, so that this way you have your luggage tag all set and ready to go. So let's see what this is going to look like after we apply the heat for 45 seconds. Here it goes. You hear the beep. That lets you know that your design is ready. And you can see how easy it is, just one-handed. Okay, be careful. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Look at how awesome that looks. Super bright.